So today I'm going to be making this wonderful chicken. It's sweet. We've got a lot of ketchup in it, funny enough. The ketchup's going to give it the sweetness. And there's a lot of dried and fresh chili in there. Sweet chicken chili. Delicious. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. So what we have here is 1 onion sliced. I'm using a red. You could use it white or brown if you want. Some bell peppers, red and green, sliced up again. 1 cup of ketchup, tomato ketchup. 1 large chicken breast with no skin or no bone, and I've cut that into nice thin strips. 2 teaspoons of fish sauce. 3 tablespoons of soy. I'm using a light soy. Use dark if you want. 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. 1 tablespoon of garlic. 1 tablespoon of ginger. And then I've got 3 large red fresh chilies and 3 or 4 dried red chili. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so I've got my wok here and I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil to start with. We are going to be adding some the sesame later. Getting that nice and hot. What we're going to do is we're going to start by dropping in both the fresh and the dried chili. To that we're going to add the garlic and the ginger. The sliced onion. Nice big pinch of black pepper. And then we're going to add our chicken. Chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cut nice and thin. High heat, 4 minutes, keep it moving. Okay, so that's 4 minutes there. Very simply, we're now going to drop in our bell peppers. And we're going to go for another 3 minutes. We're actually nearly done. It's very, 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 very easy, this one. Okay, so we're at the last stage right now. What we're going to do is add the soy. Like I said, I'm using a light soy. Now, you saw me put black pepper in, but I'm not adding salt because of the soy and the fish sauce that we have. Fish sauce is very, very salty. Be careful with it. Delicious, but dangerous. Then we're going to drop in that little bit of nutty, couple of tablespoons of nutty sesame oil. We're then going to grab our cup of ketchup. We're going to add a little splash of water. And we're going to go for 4 more minutes on the high heat. Keep it moving. Absolutely delightful. Off goes the heat. That is, of course, very spicy, and because of the ketchup, very sweet. Let me get that on a plate. Okay, and there you go. Done. Absolutely delightful. Beautiful, with a nice sticky white rice or some egg fried rice maybe. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's gonna shift. Don't know when it's gonna happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm gonna get back on the road. I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee. Help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way, so we're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, a couple of dollars or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great, and we hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.